Hello everyone, this is Umar back with another video. This is the fifth video of Empire Flippers Entrepreneurs Ride Along series. Today I will be sharing how I chose the best hosting for my niche websites and some updates on the website we started for this ride along. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, first things first. I can see 80% of you guys aren't subscribed to this channel. It takes a small impression of your thumb, but it means a whole world to me. Go and smash that subscribe button.
Do it now, please.
Okay, I'm not gonna rant about the types of hosting that you already know of, but here's what I check for when it comes to selecting a reliable host. Number one, performance and resource limitations. Server response time, storage allocation, RAM, CPU, these all elements take part in your website speed. And I don't think speed is a ranking factor, but it takes part in user experience, which to me is the number one priority after cache.
Cold, hard cash.
So, number two, security and uptime. With an increase in cyber and malware attacks nowadays, you want to make sure that your website, if attacked, isn't taken down in a day, since the hosting should have all the mirrors against those hacking attempts. And most hosting companies offer 99.99% uptime, but to make sure they are doing it, I use uptimerobot.com, and its free version is probably the best option to start with. Number three, technical support. You can't hire someone on an immediate basis if you run into problems with your website due to hosting. So, while selecting a host, one thing that I look for is response time. If I get my issues resolved within a few hours, not days, I'm happy with the host. These 3 points confirm that we have the best hosting to go with. If you are wondering which one I use, then my vote is for FastComet. I have been using this hosting since 2020 and it works like a charm. The best thing about them, 95% of the issues are resolved on live chat and the remaining 5% are resolved under 24 hours with advanced support. Especially if you are using WordPress, they are probably the best ones from price point as well. This is not because I'm their affiliate partner, but because my fellow SEOs and clients at GrowthWinner whom I recommend this hosting are happy with them. I will drop my link below so you can check it out. Things like free SSL, regular backups, and helping with hosting migration are offered by almost all hosting companies. If not, they can either be outsourced or automated, such as regular backups can be automated using Updraft Plus. On top of this, I configure Cloudflare right after installing WordPress. This prevents all DNS configuration issues that we may face once the articles are published on the website. I have sold WordPress website speed optimization services to a lot of businesses since 2021. Let me know if you guys want a complete guide on optimizing the website loading time under 2 seconds. I even optimized a bunch of websites for milliseconds.
I'm the Flash.
Okay, now let's talk about the progress of website which we started for this ride along series. So I bought the domain in the third month of recording this series. In the last 2.5 months, I dedicated the time to getting the keyword research done, writing content briefs, website design, and hiring writers. Yes, I'm not using AI content for this particular website. Currently, we have a set of articles done for two main categories in our topical map. The idea behind this strategy is that competitors have a low frequency of publishing content. They haven't updated the old ones and not publishing the new ones as well. I'm gonna publish the articles in batches so we outperform on publishing frequency of competitors and push new content at once. The publishing will start on 1st of November. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any feedback, do let me know in the comments. I read each one of them. See you next week. Bye bye.